Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download a photo from Google to your phone. So let's start. First open a browser. In this video I'll be using Google Chrome. Now I'll search for one of my all-time favorite tourist attractions. Now tap on Images. Now tap on the photo you want to download. Now long press on the image and you'll see the option to download that image. Now tap Download Image. And the photo is downloaded. Now close the browser and go to your gallery. And you'll see that photo on the downloads on your gallery. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.